Hey guys, welcome to ClausenWorld. It's time to give the front garden bed a little zhuzhing, and so I'm here this afternoon working on a little sprucing up. So join me in the garden while I do a little sprucing. Yeah, that's about it. Just a little sprucing. As you guys can hear, it is very busy up here. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward, and that way you don't have to hear all the noise that's going on the street today, because it is really busy. While I'm up front doing a little sprucing, cleaning up a little bit and laying down some mulch, I'm also making some biochar in the back, as well as all the smoke is making some of the mosquitoes go away. So I get a twofer: no mosquitoes and biochar or char. I save a fair amount of boxes. I get them from work, I get them from online purchases. I am not above getting them from the grocery store or from dumpster diving. But boxes are good for your soil. And so I am now going to be placing some boxes down before I mulch. So let's go put some boxes down. I hope you guys can see. I am laying cardboard along the front portion of the house, up along the house, the brick, the foundation, as well as up under these raggedy looking shrubs, because when the water falls off the house when it rains, it makes a trench here. And if you can see the house all the way down there, it splashes up against the house and makes the house look really ugly, very unsightly. So what I do is I try to cover this up so that there is no mud splashing up against the house. And oh, by the way, if you can see how that soil looks, let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can or not. It's not letting me zoom in, sorry guys, but the soil is extremely rich because for the past couple of years, sorry about that guys. My neighbor was being very unneighborly. There we go. Literally, he lives 4 houses down, but that seemed to be necessary. He's even gunning it in the driveway. Wow. Okay, but anyway, I lay the cardboard down and cover it up with mulch because it makes it look a lot prettier, as well as it keeps all the mud from splashing up against the house. I'm not going to pressure wash this area today. But I am going to try to make this pretty. So let me finish laying down this cardboard, and when I begin to mulch, I'll bring you guys back. I have 2 more pieces of cardboard, or 2 more boxes to put down, but I wanted to share something with you guys right quick. If you have an area that you want to put down weed barrier, but you don't have any, and you don't have the money to buy weed barrier, if you have cardboard boxes that you got in the mail, from work, from the grocery store, you can get these for free. Grab as many cardboard boxes as you can and lay them down. Lay them down thickly. You can overlap them as many times as you feel necessary, and then put down your mulch or your whatever you're putting down on top of it. That way you don't have to worry about the expense of weed barrier if that's something that's outside of your budget at that time. So just a quick tip. Let me get these last two pieces. Here's my shadow, everybody. But before I cover this up with wood chip, I want to show you all what I've done today. I've put cardboard all along the bottom of the shrubs, and I am going to do my best to cover as much of this as possible with the wood chip that I have. And if I need more, I will go get more. These man-hiding shrubs are interfering with me laying mulch down, so they're going to have to come back some. Now that is much better. Now I can get up under the shrub because it was grown out too far towards the front and it was pulling my hair and poking me in the face, and it was just not conducive to laying down mulch. So it needed a haircut. Excuse my shadow, but I have made some progress. I need to get more bags of mulch, but I've done a fair amount and I've got much more to do. So I will show you guys what it looks like when I am done, but I've got to go make another run to get more mulch. Oh, I'm tired. Now I know that this shrub right here looks like a hot mess, but there are bird nests in this section of the tree. I found one bird nest, so I did not want to take that up any further, but eventually I want all of this down at the base. Excuse me guys, cars going by. I want all of this down at the base cleared up, and I want this shrub. This is some kind of jasmine. It has beautiful flowers, little small white flowers, and they smell amazing. But I want to have this taken down along the top, because as you can see it's too tall, and I've asked the yard guys to take it down because, like I mentioned earlier, these were man hiding bushes, and there are windows behind this shrub, and I don't like the idea of the shrubs being this high, because it's not safe to have shrubs that go up towards the roof of the house and you can't see behind them. So this has to come down, but I'm waiting because there are bird nests in here, like I mentioned. But I did hack it up pretty good, so hopefully the yard man will see that and go, oh my Lord, let's do something with this. So let me get some mulch, finish this up. You guys won't see the rest of the work, but I will show you the end result, and I hope you like it. All right, everybody, the sun is going down. It is late, and I am looking real tired. Y'all saw me earlier. I had all that glisten on my face. Whew. It is partially done. I've got one section finished up and clean. I have another section yet to do, but this is my spring cleanup 2021. Let me show y'all what I did. Now, don't ask me what these are, because I don't know the name of these flowers, but they have beautiful little bitty blue, like royal blue flowers, and they are so beautiful. And this is a whole drift of them right here. I've got some tiny itty bitty morning glory babies popping up right here by the post, and over in the other flower bed, which I will not show you guys because that one is looking real bad. I've got to clean that up. But I've gotten the mulch down all the way up under the shrubs and along the back side of the shrubs as well. So this is the first of the 2021 cleanup. Now let me get inside because these mosquitoes are trying to use me for dinner and I just can't take any more. Happy gardening, everybody.